Hello, I am Dr. U.P.Kulkarni, Professor, Department of Computer Science Engineering, SDM College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad, Karnataka State. In this session, we are going to see the measurement of attainment of outcomes. In the last two sessions, we have seen how to write a course outcome, how to map course outcome to program outcome using multi-level mapping, that is at the substantial level, moderate and slight. Now let's look into how we do measurement of attainment of outcome, both course outcome and program outcome through a particular course. Here are some of the tips. All computation of attainment of COs and POs and inference action plan are to be done or recorded and compared for the given batch of 4 years. For each course, generate a report on attainment of outcome, that is course outcome and program outcome, and action plan on the inference done. This action plan is the most important thing. Express attainment of outcome in percentage, that is 85%, a single value. Earlier we used to have a two dimension, one is a support, other is a confidence. When you multiply support by confidence, you get the same value. Set the target and ensure the student reach that is attainment of reaching the target. Attainment is the reaching the target. In our institution, we have set it for 50% for all the programs, all the courses, all the course outcome, right? But however, a course teacher, a department can change this one, course level, course outcome level, a program level and all. Now let's look into what the self-assessment report says. Program shall set the course outcome attainment levels for all the courses. Measuring course outcomes attained through semester end examination. Target may be stated in terms of percentage of students getting equal or more than the target set by the program in the semester end examination for each CO. Measuring course outcome attainment through cumulative internal examination CIE. Target may be stated in terms of percentage of students getting more than class average marks or may be set by the program in each of the associated CO in the assessment instruments like midterm test, assignments, mini project, reports and presentation etc. as mapped with the CO. Improve the attainment by changing the target little higher every time and or increasing the percentage of students reaching the target set at the program level, course outcomes level as the case is. Attainment is calculated based on all types of tests, that is course teacher assessment, CIE, cumulative internal evaluation, examination, semester end examinations using mapping of each question to corresponding COs. Students level course outcome attainment. A particular course outcome attainment is calculated based on total marks scored by the student for that CO divided by the total marks allotted to that CO where student has attempted in all types of examination conducted by a teacher. Course level attainment of a given CO is equal to percentage of total students reaching the target set for that CO or course in all type of examination conducted by a teacher. Now let's look into how the program outcome attainment is done using weighted average. The illustration is given here. CO to PO mapping is done at 3 levels, which already we have seen. The highest level is substantial, where you expect the expertise being developed. Moderate, where the strengthening of that particular capability. Slight, where the capability is being introduced, with the correlation levels as 3, 2 and 1 respectively, as defined by NBA manuals SAR 2016. Consider an example of mapping shown below at course level. The course ID CS350. Consider that this course has developed, computed an attainment of CO1 at 40%, CO2 at 80%, CO3 90%, CO4 60%, CO5 65%, CO6 50%. That is, these are the percentage indicating number of students reaching the target as given okay, in 7.8 here. That is a course level attainment of a given CO is equal to percentage of total students reaching the target set for that CO or the course in all type of examinations. Now using this, okay, we will get into now the contribution of this course for the attainment of say PO1. We have to do it all these things for all the POs where the mapping exists. Is calculated using the weighted average as below. This is 3 into average of all COs mapping at substantial level plus 2 into average of all COs mapping at moderate level and 1 into average of all COs mapping at slight level divided by the sum of contributing weights. Similarly, computations are to be done for all POs, PSOs if applicable. Contributing weights are 3 to 1 if at their level some of the COs do map to them. If not, the corresponding value is not considered in the denominator expression, that is 3 plus 2 plus 1. Consider a situation where no COs are being mapped to the moderate level, that is level 2. In that case, denominator expression is 3 plus 1. Using above expression and the data that whatever that we have here in this case, yellow indicates mapping at substantial level, white color indicates mapping at moderate level, right? Then the other one is indicates mapping at slight level. So using the above expression, we compute attainment of PO1 through this particular course as 3 into 40 plus 65 divided by 2. Substantial level, there are 2 course outcome, right, being mapped to this at substantial level, so it is the average of this. Now here is the average of all the course outcome attainment at moderate level, that is there are 3, so divide by 3, and here is a 1 divided by 3 plus 2 plus 1 because all levels are being considered in this case. This results into 61.80. That is, through whatever the mapping that we have, this particular course, okay, contributes to attainment of PO1, okay, is 61.80%. It's all percentage. Earlier we were using equal weightage. All these 3-4 years we were using the equal weightage. According to this, the attainment of PO1 in the given situation is sum of all attainment expressed in percentage divided by number of COs contributing to this PO, which is equal to 40 plus 80 plus 90 plus 60 plus 65 plus 50 divided by 6, that is 64.16. Similarly, assume other courses are also mapping to PO1 at the program level, that is that particular semester level, okay, and let the assumption be that course number 2, right, contributes to PO1, that is 72.8, course number 3 it is 82, similarly course 4 92.8, course 5 52.8, course 6 42.8. Then the attainment of PO1 at the program level for the same batch is equal to average of all the attainments at that particular course level mapping to this PO, that is equal to 61.8 to all these things divided by 6 because there are 6 courses, and that results into 67.6 at that particular semester level. Similarly, the attainment of all the POs are to be calculated at the course level as well as at the semester level. Plan in advance about the target separately for each course, discuss with DUGC in advance and record it before any lesson or the test begins. With this, we come to the end of this particular session where we have seen how the measurement of attainment of the course outcome and program outcome are carried out. In the next session, we will show you the Excel sheet, the use of Excel sheet developed in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SDM College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad, how to use for measuring the COs and POs using the same principle, this principle for both theory as well as laboratory. For any details, contact me at 9448915 301. Thank you.